Well, welcome back. What you see in front of you, anyone who's already watched my first couple of videos will know what this is, but for those of you who don't, what you see in front of you is an H23A blue top VTEC engine. All right. This is a 2.3 liter H series engine, hence H23. It is a VTEC head. The block is set up to allow for the oil passage to the VTEC solenoid and components. It has an 87 millimeter bore. It has a 95 millimeter stroke, and I love it. So, in this video, I am essentially going to be tearing down this.
And pause. So the reason that I've paused this video before I actually get to taking this valve cover off is because I want to let you guys know a couple of things up front here. It's going to be a couple of moments in this video where I look really silly, look like an idiot, so to speak. Part of the reason for this is because this is the second engine that I have ever taken apart and put back together. The first being about 6 or 7 years ago when I was first going through automotive school. That being said, I'm having to relearn, reteach, and remember things that I learned 7 years ago and really haven't used since. That being said, I've noted my mistakes in this video, and I hope that you can learn from them as I already have. I will also tell you what to do instead. Thankfully, the mistakes that I've made didn't actually cause any damage, and we're all good to go here, and next time I will do better.
Always another tool. All right. No. Yes, it is. Oh boy. That's bronze, and this is shot. Alrighty. There's hoping. Wow. Yeah, I'm in my garage.
So remember how I said there were going to be a couple of things that I'm going to do that are embarrassing or silly? This is one of them. I'm attempting to remove the girdle without prying it off so that I don't mar the oil pan mating surface, and I learned that A, this doesn't work, and B, I needed to pry it anyway.
Right. There we go. Yep. New bearings it is. Okay.
No, don't do this. This makes me cringe so hard. I can't believe I did this. You see how I'm about to smack this piston out of the bottom with a rubber mallet? You see how the big end of the connecting rod is completely unprotected? If you're not careful and you do this, it's going to scratch that cylinder wall all the way down, or catch it and put a giant gouge somewhere in that cylinder wall. Don't do that, okay? When I put these back in, I put a glove on it to properly protect it. Thankfully, this did not get damaged, and I was really lucky, but dear God, don't do this.